What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please hit the like and subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko here on my channel. So for today's video, ang ipe-present ko naman sa inyo ngayon ay ang Jetour Dashing. So ito siya, ganda ng color. So tara, samahan niyo ako mag-review. So guys, this is the Jetour Dashing. So isang variant lang siya and then ang SRP niya is 1,373,000. And then for this month, naka-promo siya for only 98K all in. So tara, samahan niyo akong reviewin to. So this is the design of the Jetour Dashing. As you can see, European yung design and sobrang ganda ng style niya. So, let's go. So, as you can see, yung grill, ang ganda. And then, may camera siya sa unahan. So, ito yung camera niya. And then, as you can see, ang ganda ng wheels. Then, with the Jetour emblem. Then, ito naman yung LED headlamps niya. So, yan na rin yung daytime running lamps niya, of course. And then, ito naman yung pinaka-LED niya, guys. Sorry, yung kanina palang pinakita ko is DRL lang yun. So, ito yung LED headlamps. Ito naman yung fog lamps. So, as you can see, ang ganda ng design. Pormadong-pormado for only 1,373. So, ayan yung side niya, side views. And then, yung gulong niya naman is 19-inch with disc brakes. Then, two-tone na rin yan, two-tone alloy. Then, ang size ng gulong is 235 by 55 rim 19. So, ayan, with the emblem logo. Then, ito naman yung kanyang side turn lamps. Pag in-unlock ko siya, so, ayan. It has camera. So, ito yung camera niya. And then, so, actually, pwede mo siyang susian. Pero, meron siyang pindutan dito. So, let's go inside. Wow, ang ganda ng design. So, violet yung ambient light niya. So, umpisan muna natin dito. Nag-iiba-iba pala, sorry. So, ito yung design niya. Tapos, ambient light niya is nag-iiba-iba yung color. Then, naka-leather siya. You have the speakers here. And then, ito naman yung kanyang labasan. With pink stitch. Nice. Parang pag-girl na pag-girl to, ah. So, ito, pwede rin. So, wala dito yung sa door locks lang yung available niya. And then, you have the cup holders. Then, ito naman, may power siya, may power adjust siya. And then, may lumbar support na rin. Nice. And then, as you can see, guys, ang ganda niya, guys. Super sporty yung upuan niya, oh, with the red accent. Plus, Jetour. Then, dito, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman nito for 1,373 to. Kaya no wonder this is a one of the mabenta in the market. So, ayan yung loob. So, nag-iiba-iba yung ambient light niya, guys. Ayan. So, ito naman yung meter cluster niya. Ayan. So, fully digital na siya. Then, may adaptive cruise control na rin. And then, tire pressure monitoring. And then, dito naman, ang ganda ng niya, guys. Ang ganda ng steering wheel niya, sporty. Etong design na to is makikita mo lang to sa sports car. Then, with red stitch. And then, you have the voice control command. Open sunroof. O yun! Yeah, guys! It has open sunroof. Nice. Jetour. And then, you have the 12-inch LCD display with car BitLink also, guys. So, you can able to play Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with his own maps, file managers, air condition. So, hindi naka-on kaya mainit. Yan. So, naka-on na. And then, may radio din siya, guys. Ang ganda ng dashboard niya. Plus, ang ganda rin ng kanyang push start and stop button. Then you have 40 watts. 40 watts fast charging 40 watts fast charging. And then you have 60 watts USB cable plus USB, and then 12 volts or 120 watts. Ganda, guys. Guys, ang ganda niya talaga. Nai-inlove ako dito. So, ayan yung interior. So, leather na rin siya. And then, ito yung kanyang hazard. Tapos, may ambient light din yung sa drinks niya. And then, you have 2 USB here. Yeah, nice. Tapos, pwede ka rin maglagay ng drinks kasi may malamig din dito. Nice, ang ganda. So, ito nga pala yung electronic parking brake niya. Nice. Ang ganda-ganda. So, guys, punta tayo sa second row. Punta tayo sa second row. And then, see, may ambient light hanggang likod. Tapos, naka-metal yung handle niya rito. And then, you have the leather here. Plus, ang ganda talaga ng upuan niya. Sports car design. You have the armrest and 2 cup holders. Plus, you have 2 air vents. And USB. And then, ayan. So, malaki siya, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, ayan. close na natin. Okay. So it has 6 airbags and 6 speakers. And then, tignan natin yung likod. So, ayan yung likod ng dashing, guys. Ang ganda. So, it is LED. Pang sports car yung design, no? For only 1,373 million, guys. Dash. Then you have the rear view camera. It has 360 nga pala. Then 2-eye sensor. Then ang ganda ng likod niya, promise. I was amazed with this brand. Then electric tailgate na rin siya, guys. Then, ito naman yung mattings niya. It has his own matting design. And then, you have the cover. Then, LED na rin yung light niya. Then, when it comes naman dito, so, ayan yung makikita mo dyan. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng likod, guys. So, ayan. So, that's it, guys, and I hope na marami kayong natutunan. So, for more inquiries and test drive, you can call the number on the screen para mas ma-assist ko kayo ng maayos. So, that's it, and this is the end of the vlog. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button para mas lalo kayong updated sa mga videos na ilalabas ko. So, this is the end of the vlog, and see you next time. Bye-bye!